Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Open the O2 SIM pack and remove the SIM. O2 supplies 3 SIM sizes, standard, micro, and nano, so retain the adapter for future use. Before you begin, confirm the phone is unlocked and write down the IMEI by dialing *#06# to avoid activation delays. Keep your O2 account login and personal ID ready if prompted for verification during activation or when visiting an O2 store. Store the PIN and PUK card information in a safe place in case you need to unlock the SIM later. Power down the phone or follow the manufacturer's hot swap instructions, then open the SIM tray and place the SIM with the cut corner aligned correctly in the tray. For eSIM, choose the O2 activation QR or use the O2 app to download the profile. For physical SIMs, insert it and restart the device. Activate service in the O2 app or online portal and expect propagation to the network within minutes, but allow up to 24 hours for full service. If mobile data does not connect, set the APN to mobile. O2, Co, UK, and leave username and password blank. If the SIM prompts for a PIN and you don't recall it, check the SIM card pack for the default PIN and keep the PUK code handy to avoid permanent lockout. When you see no signal, toggle airplane mode, reboot the phone, and then manually select the O2 network in settings. If problems persist, reset network settings before more invasive steps. For continued activation failures or a damaged SIM, visit an O2 store or use the O2 app support to request a SIM replacement, eSIM reprovisioning, or guided troubleshooting from a technician.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.